تبارة تعب تبانة كانت الصوانت كانت التعي كابزح ونونزين يا تدي.
In terms of water, Create Change hopes to provide as much clean water for as many people as possible, basically through two methods, the first being the provision of rainwater harvesting tanks. The tanks are great methods of providing water, especially for institutions like schools, where they have zinc roofs that allow water to be collected. Even in some villages, if they have a zinc roof, the tank can be used as a source of water for at least a percentage of the community.
We were able to get this tank, but there are two for the school, one for the primary and one for the JSS. And that has really solved our water problem. So the children now don't go anywhere to fetch water. We use this water for everything.
The second method is the construction of boreholes. Now, boreholes are a little bit more expensive, but they provide an abundance of clean water year-round. Boreholes are drilled deep into the ground past the water table so it can access groundwater that is there throughout the year. And boreholes are especially appropriate for rural villages where either a water source is located very far away and women are having to travel extremely long distances to fetch it, or when water that a community is fetching really isn't safe for people to drink.
Dan swang te shade ta te dwarte ka swang na ti dan ma ka ba to kwara da anye ba mo do ba na ko anye e moron to ko na o gwa de ka ba de kulugu ma swele na ni za te de tisu dan ta da wanis kan ma lafi.
The link between health and water cannot be overstated. The number of diseases that exist in northern Ghana really is primarily due to the poor quality of water that is being consumed. The provision of new water sources that give clean water can really affect health, especially of children and elderly people.
Tinya ko jela den tatana nganda ma den ta adolo tete ko sheltin nyurma tala azu katin yorle dama ka kom nyale tinyorle mde ka tikala kom zo ka nyorle na ti mal ko jela te kunyole zo tinya ko jela ngana den tatete tinanguna nya alafie katisu katinanguna jela.
Another important point is the effect that water can have on gender inequality. Women and girls are responsible for the provision of water, and the distance that they're traveling in order to fetch it for daily needs is really unacceptable. Water fetching is affecting girls' education, it's affecting women's ability to be independent and provide an income for their families, and it is very much having an effect on their quality of life, really in every aspect.
Kata bihi no fine ka chang shukuru kata nye soche zelan tba kata man baza no vien yelanga de zo ko ma yela mursat te pan ka shukuru ma gba yela bob te ka soche ko ma yi bien soche na kana kar no vien yelanga te man baza kata bihi ma ka no fine.
By providing water, there is so much change that snowballs with that. And alongside education, the provision of clean, accessible water is definitely the key to creating change in these communities.
Tabarna tanya ko zelle kara de kul je zanjala tete ka to kul nyura ka so kam ni buna patta zanjala ka dor cha cha karne
ton kulan chang pi hama o fo guma mo alma
Me swang to ko zelle ti nyura ti amala lafi ka to be mala lafi de ben to duru ta ma ngura to boarre da ane ja pon pon zo ara ne ja an chang mala na to bokwamna an to bo so che yala ka bia ne ga bi ma bi an chang shukuru ha gwa sba na gwa su na to ba ka ba de nye tra to ka chang to bokwamma na to na na gwa so de so di ta te to gba na nya so che ngba na ka ta min ba dira.
Help me to create change.
Song makangwa song.
Help me to create change.
It's good.